Hi guys, today we are going to see how to add a WhatsApp chat to our WordPress website. If you have a website and you want your visitors to contact you by using WhatsApp, you can do that by adding a WhatsApp chat to your website. After watching this video, you'll be able to add WhatsApp chat to your website, and anyone visiting your website can contact you using WhatsApp. Let's get started. You come to your WordPress dashboard, you mouse over to the plugin menu, you click on add new, you come here, you type in WhatsApp, this is the plugin we are going to install. You click on install now, and activate. Now we have installed our WhatsApp chat plugin, so let's go to the settings. You come here, you click on settings. Now this is our WordPress, our WhatsApp chat. This is our WhatsApp chat plugin where we'll make the settings. Let's type in our number. So here you will enter your WhatsApp number where you want your visitors to contact you. And let's save. So let's refresh our websites. Yeah, you can see the WhatsApp chat plugin is already installed. So let's make some basic settings. So let's come here. So if you want your visitors to see a message when they go to your website, so you type it in here, you type it in the call to action. Hi, how can we help you? You scroll down. Here we'll reduce the delay time to, like, let's say 2 seconds. So this is a message that your visitors will see when they want to chat with you. Here also we click at this place, you come here, you click on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp web directly on desktop, so your visitors can use the web WhatsApp to contact you. So let's save. So let's go back to our website and let's refresh. Yeah, so you can see once your visitors come to your website, immediately in 2 seconds they will see this message that will prompt them to want to chat with you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like my video. Also, if you have not subscribed, please kindly do. Thank you very much, and let's remember, COVID-19 is real. Please stay safe. Thank you very much.